Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question, can I replace an annuity for higher income? The answer is yes, in most cases. If you are in an annuity and you have lifetime income and you find out, hey, I can get paid higher somewhere else, you certainly can. Usually with replacements, the insurance companies want to see a couple of things before they'll consider a replacement. Number one, you've been in that current annuity for at least 3 years. Number two, when you go from your old annuity company to your new annuity company, you're in a better position. If you're getting higher income, you could be in a better situation. Three, they want to see that you're in a better situation in terms of a surrender charge. So you may be in an old annuity that has, 4, 5, 6% surrender charge. The annuity company wants to see that there's some sort of bonus to offset the loss so that you're ahead of the game in terms of your income and your account balance. But you certainly can replace it for higher income. In fact, we do it all the time. Usually it's folks who have purchased annuities in the 2010s in a lower interest rate environment who now want the lifetime income. And by rolling it over, they're able to get a significant increase in their income percentage by doing that. So yes, you can do that, but it just depends. Those requirements, the suitability team at an insurance company won't let you through if you just bought an annuity and within the last year or two and you want to replace it, or if there's no new annuity that will have some sort of bonus that will offset the surrender charges. So the best thing you could do is come talk to us at the Annuity Expert. Just Google us and we'll go over your situation, find out if we can find you a higher income and give you put you in a better position for your retirement income foundation. Whether it may be a bonus annuity or some annuity that will help offset along the way the surrender charges. So you can call us at 770-755-1565 and we will catch you on the next video. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. See ya.